watched your child speed through tracing or skip lines entirely, you probably wondered, is this even helping? The truth is, without strong hands and focus control, tracing becomes a chore, not a skill. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, frustration-free routine that strengthens your child's writing muscles without any tears and without a pencil in just 5 minutes a day. And you will never think again that tracing lines with pencil is the best way to prep your child for writing. Here's the problem. Most kids are given tracing sheets and are expected to follow lines with a pencil before their hands are ready. If your child struggles with shaky lines, messy tracing, or avoids writing altogether, it's not a motivation issue, it's a muscle issue. Repetitive pencil tracing without strength leads to frustration, not progress. So here's the 5-minute plasticine routine that works. Instead of starting with a pencil, we use plasticine. Your child rolls a small snake or roll and presses it along a worksheet line. They do it again, but a little faster, then again, with more precision. It's playful, engaging, and it works. Let's make this simple and more fun. Here's what the daily routine looks like. Day 1, roll a snake and press it along a straight line. Day 2, horizontal line. Day 3, diagonal. Day 4, zigzags. Day 5, curves. This builds fine motor strength, coordination, confidence, and all through hands-on play. You can absolutely use the worksheets you already have, or you can grab my free starter pack I've made for you. Plasticine isn't just a play. It's powerful. It develops the exact small muscles your child needs to control a pencil. It turns an often boring task into something they ask to do. Most parents jump straight to pencil tracing, but when you build strength first, real progress happens fast. So now you've got the rolling routine and you're seeing a bit more control, a bit more calm, but maybe your child still struggles to stay on the lines. In the next video, I will show you why your child may still be struggling with line work and how to fix it fast using the same plasticine techniques. I will see you there.